How do you install a fuel injector? If you are a motorcycle enthusiast looking to improve your bike's performance, understanding how to install a fuel injector is essential. This task requires careful steps to ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's break it down so you can tackle this project with confidence. First, safety is key. Start by disconnecting the motorcycle's battery or removing the main fuse. This step prevents any electrical hazards while you work. Next, relieving the fuel system pressure. You can do this by carefully loosening the fuel line connections or following the specific depressurization steps in your service manual. Now, it's time to access the fuel injectors. Typically, they are located on the intake manifold or throttle body. Depending on your motorcycle model, you may need to remove components like the air intake assembly or sections of the fuel tank to get to them. Once you have clear access, you can begin removing the old injectors. Start by detaching the electrical connector from the injector. Then, unfasten the fuel rail or manifold retaining bolts. Gently wiggle the injector free, being careful not to twist it, as this can damage the injector port or O-rings. Before installing the new injector, inspect the injector port for any debris and clean it with compressed air if needed. When you are ready to install the new injectors, take a moment to lubricate the O-rings with clean engine oil. This lubrication helps prevent tearing during installation. Align the injector with the port and press it firmly into place until it is fully seated. Reattach the fuel rail or manifold, ensuring that all bolts are torqued to the manufacturer's specifications. After the injectors are in place, reconnect the electrical connector and reassemble any components you removed earlier. It is now time to restore power to the motorcycle. Check for fuel leaks by briefly turning the ignition on without starting the engine. This action will pressurize the system and allow you to spot any leaks. Keep in mind a few practical considerations. Always replace O-rings when installing new injectors, as damaged or dry O-rings can lead to leaks. If you are using high-performance injectors, you may need to recalibrate the engine control unit to adjust fuel trims. It is wise to consult your service manual or a technician for this. Lastly, remember to use a torque wrench for the fuel rail bolts. Over-tightening can warp components and lead to future issues. Following these steps will help ensure reliable fuel delivery and optimal engine performance for your motorcycle. Always refer to your motorcycle's service manual for specific instructions tailored to your model.